Did you know that you can intentionally craft your cake decorating style? I truly believe that your unique style is just a sequence of 5 decisions you're making on your cake decorating journey. And I wanted to help you to make those decisions and deliberately construct your cake decorating style. Why me? I'm a chef Anna from Florida Cakes. I'm a pastry chef and award-winning cake designer. My cakes have been featured in magazines, TV commercials, and in museums. But I wasn't born talented. I started making cakes 10 years ago for my friends and family, and for my first cake, I charged $65. It was a two-tiered buttercream cake, and my client didn't like it. She asked me to remake that, and yes, that happened to me on my first order. I never wanted to create another Pinterest cake ever again, and I started looking for different ways how to create those beautiful designs and charge premium prices for my cakes. Now my wedding cake prices start at $2,000, and I'm known for modern wedding cakes with Wafer paper flowers. So maybe you're wondering, what is the big secret to finding your own cake decorating style? Let me tell you. I've developed a step-by-step method to help you do just that. Enroll today before the price goes up, and let's work on your unique cake decorating style.